How do you take a screenshot of your computer screen? Windows 10 has a built-in tool called Snip Sketch, which lets you take a screenshot of either the whole screen or just the area you're interested in. In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to use. This is Dave's Tech Rescue, where I solve your problems with computers, internet and technology. If you have a question you'd like to ask me, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss my next video where I might be answering your question. Today's question: how do I capture an image of my computer screen in Windows 10? Well, it's really handy to be able to take a screenshot, whether you want to demonstrate something on your computer and send your visual instructions on to someone else, or if you just need to keep visual evidence of something on your screen, like a booking confirmation. If your computer has been updated to the latest version of Windows 10, it should now have a built-in tool called Snip Sketch. This tool was included in the fall 2018 update, and it lets you take a screenshot either of your whole screen or just an area you're interested in. And in this video, I'll show you how to use it. And in case you don't have Snip Sketch yet, Windows 10 still includes the older snipping tool, which you can use if you don't have the latest Windows 10 updates. The snipping tool still contains one or two features that aren't yet included in Snip Sketch, so you might still find it useful. To take a screenshot, you need to open the Action Center. Click on the Action Center icon in the lower right corner of your screen. Click on Screen Snip. If you can't see it, you may need to click Expand to see all the icons here. At the top of the screen, you'll see the different types of screenshot you can take. Rectangular clip lets you draw a box around just the part of the screen you're interested in. Freeform clip is another way to capture an area of your screen, but it lets you draw a freeform shape rather than a box. And full screen clip just captures the whole screen. If you change your mind, you can cancel the screenshot by clicking close. When you take a screenshot, the image is copied into your clipboard, so you can paste it into whatever you're working on, for example, a Word document. Let's look at a couple of examples. Let's say I want to take a screenshot of part of this web page and use it in a Word document. I open the Action Center and click Screen Snip. Then I choose Rectangular Clip. My pointer has changed to a cross and I need to draw a box around the area I want. Now that's taken a screenshot and copied it to the clipboard. I'm now going to open Word, and if I click Paste, the screenshot is now in my document. Another example, say I want to capture a freeform shape and paste it into Paint. I go to Screen Snip again, then click Freeform Clip. This time I can draw a shape around the area I want. I can open Paint 3D, make a new canvas, then I can click Paste. The area I captured is now on my canvas, and I can draw on it, and then save the image. You don't have to use copy and paste though. When you take a screenshot, you can see the image in the Action Center. For example, let's go to Screen Snip and take a full screen clip. If I go into the Action Center now, the clip is there waiting for me. If I click on this, it opens it up in Snip Sketch. If I want to, I can mark up the screenshot. Using these pen tools, I can draw on the image or highlight things. There are loads of options here. When you're happy with it, you can save it in several different formats, or share it with someone. In case you don't have Snip Sketch yet, let's look at the alternative, which is the snipping tool. The snipping tool is built into older versions of Windows 10, but it will be removed at some point in future. It does have one or two features that aren't built into Snip Sketch yet. For example, you can add a delay between when you press the button and when it takes the screenshot. To open the snipping tool, go to the Start menu or Cortana and type in Snipping Tool. click on Snipping tool. Then select Mode and click New. Click on the screen to take the screenshot. Then do any markup you want to do and save the image. Please let me know in the comments below how you got on, and if you found this video useful, please give it the thumbs up. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this in future, please click on my face below and hit the red subscribe button. And while you're here, why not check out one of my other videos? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.